loves. So we are back with another family outing. Today is October 20th, 2018. We are on our way to a car show that happens annually. So many new cars, old school cars, super fun. So we're going to take you guys along with us, and I hope you guys have fun, just as we are. Here we are. There's my babies. Can you say hi, Nadia, please? Hi. Okay. We will be back. This is not part of the car show, but yeah, right? It is. Say it again, baby.
Hi, Busa. Look at the back too. That's see how deep the back wheel is? How fat it is? Too?
Yeah.
How did he get them?
Wow. That is nice. Pretty color too.
This Bike Auto Show is a charitable event, and your gated mission helps us support many Sacramento area children's causes, including Shriners Hospitals for Children and the Make-A-Wish
Oh,
Foundation.
there's like white over here.
The Greater Sacramento New Car Dealers Association. We want to thank you for joining us at the Sacramento International Auto Show. Welcome to the Sacramento International Auto Show.
I traded in the lack and my bike for that.
Almost 13 buildings.
His pride processions. So is that super fast?
Hella fast.
Oh, well then Mama's not letting that
To
happen.
make sure you won't miss a thing. Shuttles are available.
I already stress off his slow bike. Over 200 miles an hour.
Alongside all the beautiful new cars, you'll find alternative fuel cars,
Okay.
art cars, customs,
We're gonna go in.
yesterday cars, representing over
And
100
I already
years of
prepaid for
rolling
our
history.
tickets. Just have to give the
Make sure to
girls
stop by
tickets
our
because there
three
wasn't a
different
deal for them.
Insta and get
Well, we'll get back in when there's some juiciness going on. I love you.
Love you too. Did you downsize on your purse?
No, wait, no. Why? What do you need me to put in there?
You don't need anything in there. I don't want your arm to fall off by the end of the day.
Oh, I took some stuff out, and by the time I'm done drinking some waters, I'll be fine with food. Even though we packed food, but because we like to save money, so we did sandwiches. The hubby makes the best sandwiches, by the way. So yeah, all right. Check back in with these cars. This here is a 2019 NSX. My husband and I were super excited because they have not made one since the mid-90s, and it was really cute because him and I both asked at the same time the starting price. It starts at $160 as the base, $179 equipped. We are walking the red carpet. Oh yeah. And I just grabbed some nachos, even though I know we made sandwiches. Here, let me show. So this thing was full, like up to here, with hella cheese and jalapenos, and I'm shocked.
It's stuck.
It was only $5. Like this is like fair prices, you know, like when you go to events. Like normally that'd be like $8. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. Even though I'm the cheapest of the cheapest you ever meet, but that was pretty good. Just love the red carpet, nature. All the little food vendors. We got Mexicano food, some chicken. What else we have over there? There's all kinds. Hot dogs. Yeah. Oh, she's getting fries. I was like, it's chicken strip and fries. My oldest is vegan. She's getting fries. Ew.
Sample one of those.
No.
Go ahead.
It's not sample.
They are. They're real. It's real. Eat one.
Don't you dare.
Unless
Hello.
Hello. I think we've already been out. All they do is they pour it into hot oil like this, side by side. So once the dough lands in, it starts hardening and it starts cooking.
So it's literally like a donut. We're talking about
yes, funnel cakes.
Funnel cakes. Because funnel cakes are my favorite, and I don't like donuts.
She hates deep fried shit.
Yeah.
And if you guys have ever seen how a funnel cake is made, they just literally drop a line of dough in hot oil
And just fry the shit out of it.
and then scoop it out and then put a whole bunch of fruit toppings in there.
It's probably why my stomach dies every time I eat it, but it's so worth it. Especially when I put the powdered sugar. Oh my gosh. They don't have them here, do they?
Funnel cakes?
All that gusto I just ate.
That's why I said that.
Oh. They have kettle corn.
What?
I swear to God, I didn't see that. Oh no. Man, I wish I didn't have that cheese. Anyway, the girls want to go take a quick little nature walk on a car show day. But we did last time and we got really cool pictures out of it. So come on, children.
It's trespass.
You have to be quiet though. Oh, it is trespass. So I can't really see because of the sun. But this is where they let you test drive cars. Oh, I can't see. Shit. Okay, guys, so we just took an intermission eating break. The sun is really in my eye. So now that we're all nice and full and tired, we're gonna do the test drive. We already registered, so we don't have to go and register.
We have the Eco Sports. Head on over to the Ford station.
You stand in line, babe. Stand in line, honey.
Here for you.
After we're done.
Ford fun.
Yes.
Sign up for the ride and drive.
So,
Banner to your right.
I knew wifey was right.
So we're gonna do. We got to pick out of the car.
The Expedition?
List. Yeah.
The list?
Yeah, the list
Well, you
is
can
up
go,
there.
but we're driving the Expedition and the Mustang.
Yeah, there's. I don't know if you guys can see. It's right there. So those are the options, and so we chose. So how it works is you have to do one car first before you can do the Mustang. So we did. We chose the Mustang. With the Mustang, you have to drive with an instructor. But the other cars you don't have to. So it was out of those choices that I showed you guys. The hubby and I both chose the Expedition. So the Expedition we're all gonna ride together, and then after that we're gonna do the Mustang. I'm not sure if they're gonna let me film. I'm gonna ask the instructor.
They will.
But we'll see. Are you excited to drive the new Mustang?
I am. I'm not excited to drive with an instructor.
Yeah.
I'm trying to smash. Like,
Will you be able to?
Head on over here.
For sure, we're gonna get each other driving.
just run the course.
For sure, we're gonna get each other driving because I can film him driving like this, you know. So anyway, all right. We'll see you guys on the flip side.
Let's buckle up.
So this is Expedition.
Excuse that.
That's great. That's great.
Wow, honey.
No, you're good. I love stuff like that. Makes my day. Mix it up a little bit. I love it.
I'm gonna have fun in the Mustang.
Ay.
Oh, the steering is amazing on a brand new car.
Right there.
I mean,
Well, I'm taking over the camera now. Mama Alicia's about to get in the Mustang. That's her right now pulling up to the starting line. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to burn any kind of rubber, so see if she can just take off fast at least. Bending the corners. Skirt. It's automatic too, man. Why would they do that? They let you test drive a 5.0 and give you an automatic. That's not fair. But hey, the experience though, right? There she goes. She finished the course. Alright, now it's my turn. My turn to get on it.
there goes my baby.
better drive safe. I can watch him go like a pro. Versus my soft little turns. There's my baby girls. I can't even keep them. It's such a short little lap, though. I wish I had like more straight turns, but you're welcome to ride it or drive it as many times as you want. Sorry, guys. So, yeah. Alright. What'd you think?
Huh?
What'd you think?
It'd be better if it was manual.
And longer, like more straight, right?
Oh yeah. And then when we pulled up, he told me to pull to the left, and then I did, and he got mad that I didn't pull into the right spot.
Real men hold their wives' purses.
What'd you say?
He keeps insisting to take it from me. He looks pretty. It matches his outfit. It compliments your outfit, baby.
Sorry?
Compliments your outfit.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want to do what's in your purse for my subscribers?
Huh?
You want to do what's in my purse? It's a thing on YouTube.
Sure, whatever.
Where you show everybody
Probably
what's in your purse.
probably like hour-long video. Pretty standard. This like wasn't this. I don't know. I'd smash at the challenger though.
How do you open this door?
Zoom, zoom, room, room.
Excuse me, mommy.
Vroom,
Hey,
vroom.
hey.
Do you like this?
Display in here, what's that? Watch out, baby. It's sharp in the corner.
Do you like this?
Yeah, I'd smash the shit out of this challenger. I mean, it's not like one of my preferred cars, but if I had the opportunity to smash this shit, oh my god.
But still want to somewhat be healthy.
So would.
Good news? There's a report out there saying that Taco Bell is actually
Little PDA. That's hot.
See what happens when you have a best friend for a wife? We hung out so late last night that I'm just like, I feel like shit.
Yeah, we hung out till 4 o'clock.
This is the worst I felt at the car show we come every year.
We're
But I'll
gonna
get
make
through
him,
it.
yeah, and I'm gonna make him feel better.
Nothing little hen won't happen.
Is there a 2018 Porsche?
Mary Julian. That's what he meant.
Ay, ay, ay.
I spy a little Nadia.
It's not my name. I'm gonna start going by Elizabeth now. I don't want anybody to know my real name.
You just told everyone your middle name.
Oh, well, yeah, so I'm going to start going by just Elizabeth. So start calling me that. No, actually, only you call me my real name, and then people at school start calling me Elizabeth.
All right, we'll be back, you guys.
Get your little
I'm not even tripping off that.
smoothie. Let's get up out of here. We'll cut after this. Beef. I think it's just like landing
So
on
she
your
doesn't
elbow.
have a RBF, she has a RAF.
What's that?
Resting attitude phase.
What's a resting attitude phase?
You.
What's an RBF?
A resting B-word phase.
No, it's not. It flew out.
What happened?
Oh, it's 16.
A bee flew into her purse.
What happened? You put...
16 ounce, not 6 ounce.
I heard you. You said a... Oh my gosh! A bee just literally flew out of her purse.
Take it.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy. How did you see that happen, Mia?
My lip kind of hurts.
That's shock because it's so small.
My lip itches.
That's healing. That's why.
It
Don't
itches.
don't scratch it. It's healing.
Yeah.
Are you good? Oh. All right. So I'm gonna get her a smoothie, kettle corn,
Say brown. Bob.
brown.
2 small lemonades and a bottle of water.
Babe.
Babe.
And I don't have that thing the mechanics roll on. Yes.
They have kettle corn.
Okay.
I see that.
Can't turn this shit down? What the fuck?
Look at all the stations.
Here, get in here and mess with this. Like, look at all the zoom in and out, Google Maps. See this? You just spin
Yeah, I
it.
was
It's a dial.
watching you. Alright. I am gonna go have a little fun in that car at the Heavy. Because we're actually alone for a minute. The girls went to get some coffee, so. Sure.
Obviously with the newer cars, I mean, this has been around for a minute, but it's just, this Audi is like really, really easy to navigate. Extremely easy to navigate. The dial is really smooth. You can just switch through stuff super easy. It's amazing, actually. That is great.
So he was showing me, this is...
Yeah, so you hit up, and then that's your radio options. Show that. Okay, and then when you hit down, your media options. And then look down here, your navigation map, and then look up at the screen after you hit it up. And then it switches to the navigation. Then down, telephone, up radio again. Super easy to control, it's amazing. I bet it's got heat too.
Oh, I'm sure.
Nice, here's the volume knob right here.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah,
I'm gonna find the volume.
that's great.
I like it. it's funny how my baby now is like, she used to get in the car just for fun, but now that she knows how to drive, she's like picturing it. You like this Impala, mija? Let me see.
It's not, no, just like the interior.
Oh, the leather. This is nice. I like it. So no more baby fever. Well, I will always have baby fever, but more of car fever. I need one in my life. I'll get one.
Apollo? Nice.
Yeah. See, he loves the Cadillacs. That's gonna be nice. Alright, guys. Well, I have 1 minute of battery left. So did you have fun, babe?
I did. I always do.
Good.
Car shows the shit, especially with the fam.
Yes, we had a good time. The kids are all the way over there. They ran. So let's see if we can get them.
I'm trying to get the little one to give us some direction.
So charge your battery pack. All right, gotta go. Bye.